G'day humans, Chris Stead here. Got a bit of an unboxing for you. Today it's this one, the SONOS Ace. So it's created a lot of fanfare. This is SONOS, the legendary speaker maker, audio specialist, heading into the wireless, or the Bluetooth, headphone space for the first time. And this is the SONOS Ace. Now, if you've been watching my channel, you know I've already put up a fair bit of content about this. And I've had a really, really strong response to it. People very interested in the product, lot of skepticism, a lot of love. So it's great to finally have one here in my house, and we're going to take this for a test run. You can stay tuned to the channel, there will be a review going up. But I just want to do an unboxing. I only get to unbox them once, so let's film it. Now I've gone for the white model, and it's white or black. And I thought in the previous sessions that I was in, I thought the white looked really, really nice, and everything's I've got is black. So why not give white a crack for once, you know? Probably showed my dandruff up less too. All right, let's have a look. Oh, SONOS, I always bring this along, I never need it. SONOS always does such lovely packaging. It always makes things quite easy and reusable. Like I actually keep the SONOS boxes generally because the stuff goes back into it so well, especially like with the Era 300 and the Arc and stuff like that. Okay, so there we go. So it does come with the case. I'd almost forgotten about that. And the case is color coded to the headset. So the black edition comes with a black case, and the white edition comes with this gray case, like that. Very nice. Very solid. It's got the little green here as well, the green tag. So the cups have slight different colors inside them, which I'll show you in a sec, which allows you to basically, at a glance, just know whether it's a left or right. So when you pick it up and put it on, you've got that cue and you can see it, which is handy because, you know, 50% of the time you should get it right. I get it right 0% of the time, same with USBs. Okay, so nice, neat, strong packaging, pretty typical of the SONOS brand. Very little wastage. And what do we got in here? So we've got the charging cable. No one's doing, well, not no one, but there's very few people actually doing the actual wall plug anymore. But we do get the USB-C to headphone jack, so 3.5mm jack included, which is great. So this is going to be handy for like in-flight. If not many people actually use wired headphones anymore, but on planes you do. And let's see how long these are. I'll rip these out. Let's see if we've got a decent length. Because sometimes, boy, they can be short. The thing I was reviewing the other day, I couldn't believe how short it was. What was that? Sennheiser earbuds. Far out. It's not going to break any records, that's for sure. What's that? 60 centimeters, maybe? Maybe 50? I would have liked to have seen a little bit longer, at least a meter, please. The other one actually looks like it might be longer. Let's have a look. We have a little bits of cardboard here holding it together. And that one is a bit longer. So that's probably maybe 80. Which makes, it might even be double. No, not double, not quite double, but a fair bit longer. So hopefully that's in screen. But at least I've thought that through a bit, because if you're sitting obviously in a plane seat, or you are connected to a device and it's in your pocket, or maybe into a switch or something, you're going to need a bit of extra length, right? So thin cables don't feel particularly meaty, but SONOS generally doesn't make product that is how you're doing, so hopefully they go all right. All right, setup instructions, very typical of the SONOS brand. Some extra information, all nicely put together. Yeah, very, very, very similar to what you'd expect if you've opened any SONOS products before. and as usual, very, very nice. Let's have a look at the headset. Okay. Oh. There we go, it's got the green on the inside too. Nice fabric. What is that? Just sits over the cups, does it? And just nurses the cups in there. And here we go. So there you can go, so you can see all the different color codes I was talking about. So I'm not going to go into too much detail with this right now. If you see my other videos, you already know a fair bit already, but I haven't been able to test it in my own home, which I'm really looking forward to doing. So make sure you check out the channel. Oh geez, it feels nice. It really is really nicely made. Very nicely made. All right, well there you go. Okay, stay tuned to the channel. Reviews on the way, if it's not up already. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'm Chris Stead. Make sure you check out my other videos. And until next time, check you later.